And
there's just a heavy rainfall. Ah!
go out there, you're the reporter.
We are in Japan.
Go in there. Hey everyone, so me and Josh decided to get parakeets last night. I'll show you them. Hey babies, they're only a month old. Say hi. Anyways, this one's name is Zion. He stops moving. He likes to hide in that corner. He has a little green tail. This one is hold on, I forgot what Josh named it. That is Simba. Oh yeah, this one's Simba. Hey Simba. So Zion and Simba, and they're best friends. They never leave each other. And this is the loner, but he's the king of the cage right now. This is Stitch. So Stitch is, I think, the oldest because he has the longest feathers, and he's the nicest too. Okay, he's not doing it. You can play on the floor. Zion, which is mine, or supposed to be mine, he doesn't like to play. Oh. All he does is run away from you and scatter. I don't know if it's because they're babies or what, but... And Zion is mean. I picked him out, so it must be pretty. Brazilian colors. You go on the floor and play. See, I don't know what's wrong with him. He's like social disorder. See, he's going back to his little friend. Come here, baby. This is Simba. Simba's pretty cool too. But they're still babies. Okay, where is the bird? Ah! You go play, watch. They'll find each other and they hang out. Get away! Go play with your friend.
I thought I had it all together, but I was led astray. The day you walked away, you were the clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my state.